In this video, we're in Chicago, where we see skyscrapers, museums, and eat lots of good food. Come join us on our adventure.
Yeah!
And then you get one.
So excited.
There we go.
Whoa! Oh look! It says your name!
4th floor, going down.
Wait.
Alright, so we just ate at Pizzeria Duo.
It's the
And,
second restaurant of Pizzeria Uno.
Okay, so it's 9:30 Eastern right now, and Leo and I typically like to have our dinner by like 6 o'clock, and we didn't eat till like 9 things.
Okay, this baby did better than these boys did.
She did
okay?
amazing.
You boys were wearing your food. You dropped things all over the floor. It was all over your face.
So we're gonna go back to the hotel and chill for the night, and then start fresh tomorrow.
Bacon, spinach.
Alright, so we're in Chicago and we got in pretty late last night. It was quite funny because we went to a pizza joint and Leo ended up wearing his pizza. I dropped my knife on the floor and then Evie ended up puking on the table. So it was pretty funny, but it was pretty late and we just kind of crashed when we got back to the hotel. And this morning we're getting ready to go see the Willis Tower. Alright, we've made it to the river and we're heading toward the Willis Tower.
It was the tallest building in the world for 2 decades.
That's right, it was the tallest building in the world for 2 decades. Back then it was called the Sears Tower. So we're staying in Embassy Suites here in Chicago, and we loaded up on breakfast before heading out and just walking through the city and showing Leah some of the skyscrapers. Alright, so we have arrived at a very tall building. Actually, it used to be the tallest building in the world. There we go. So you can see out there.
This is cool. I don't remember this.
Quick, wasn't it?
Oh my!
Alright, we are at the top of Willis Tower, and you can see Lake Michigan behind me. We are 103 stories up. So our homeschool kid is currently sketching a picture of the tower. So I'm a big fan of coming in the middle of the week. There's not very many people up here, so we can kind of take our time, and Leo can sketch pictures of the city, and we can just kind of hang out for a little bit. Yeah, here we are.
Yep.
On top of the tower.
Yay! Evie likes it.
If you're able to get out midweek, come early. Usually have places to yourself, or at least just a few people. Alright, here we are on the ledge. Don't look down.
I'll take my house. 3 feet in the air. So if this breaks, I literally will fall down there to death.
Play Spider-Man.
I'm
She's not impressed.
so scared.
Oh my goodness, Leo.
Should I jump?
No. I'm not jumping. Oh my god.
Yeah, so we're on the ledge experience here, and you have these 4 glass boxes, and you literally can just stand on the glass and then it's straight down. So we're 1,353 feet up in the air on this ledge. So it says the ledge is only 1.5 inches thick of glass. It's 3 sheets put together. Each one's half an inch thick. That's it. So it's about noon now, and more people are starting to show up. But we got here nice and early, so we've been able to really soak up the views. We've been up here for about an hour. Yeah, we're just enjoying a few more minutes up here, and Leah's doing some cool sequin graffiti. And yeah, we'll head back down to the city. Alright, I think we've had our fill up here of the skyline of Chicago.
This is how thick the sky deck is.
So it's just 3 plates of glass, that's it. Each piece of glass is half an inch thick.
Elevators in the world. There's something for everyone in this tower.
Alright, we're just chilling in one of the lobbies for a few minutes, having a little break. Alright, we're back outside again, and nice successful tour of the tower. And we're just gonna get some coffees, and then we're gonna head back to the hotel. If you look very carefully, you can actually see the sky decks above me up here. Right up there. Alright, we've all got our coffees, and we're heading back to the hotel. Yes, it's getting a little chilly with the wind, and we put our coats back on, and Evie's just falling asleep. So this is actually Evie's first big city. See the seagulls eating the fish right there. Are you ready to go swimming? You ready to go to the pool?
Yep, let's go to the pool.
So we just had a nice little swim, and Leo's still swimming a little bit. Alright, we got done with our swimming, and we had some snacks and reheated some pizza from last night, and watched some TV and just kind of relaxed in the hotel for the rest of the evening. And now we're getting ready for bed. Alright, it's time to go get some breakfast. One of the things we like about Embassy Suites is they do cook breakfast, so we're gonna load up and then we're gonna head to the Field Museum.
This animal is really cool. Whoa, some sort of like hair looking thing.
Alright, we're gonna go see Sue. So I think Evie likes seeing all these. Her little legs are kicking. So this building was built in 1921, so it's over 100 years old.
Yeah, don't get off at us.
I know.
Go up.
We were in Ocean Street that week.
That's the remnants of like an ancient split. Oh my gosh! Oh, dinosaurs! Big Sue's here. That's a fossilized egg, guys.
That's Sue. That's it.
Oh my gosh!
So we found Sue, and Leo is currently sketching her.
Only 19% of these lumps are real. So it says, please open and smell. Ugh.
Horses are on display here.
Bunch of Ice Age skeletons.
Oh, yeah. What was it called? The Irish deer?
Lunchtime. All right, we've had some lunch, and now we're gonna tour some more of the museum.
I know it's made for man because the inscription's on the inside.
Millions of years ago.
So there's lots of really cool exhibits here at the museum. The one we just went through is sort of a Halloween theme. Alright, we've been here for several hours now, and we're trying to see as much of the museum as we can before we leave today. And Evie's having a good time. Leo's now leading the way. He's going to decide what we see next. Evie likes the birds. Alright, we spent most of the day here at the Field Museum, and we've only got about an hour and a half left, so Leo's just gonna take us to a few different places that he wants to see, and then we'll be done.
Got one more exhibit. Gonna see the gems.
Look where you are. Oh my god.
So there's so much to see at this museum, it's hard to really capture it properly, and we've just been pinging around the museum all day, just taking it all in. So yeah, if you make it to Chicago, I would highly recommend coming to the Field Museum.
Oh, it's gonna make it. It's gonna make this.
No, not by the base.
Let me see it.
This is it.
Alright, we've spent pretty much all day here at the Field Museum, and we're just about to leave, but Leo had a really good time.
Yeah, this is the largest fossil collection I've ever seen.
So Leo just said only 1% of everything they've ever collected is actually on display.
Yeah.
That's mind-boggling.
Yeah.
Alright, so yesterday we basically got back to the hotel. Brooke went and got a pizza, a nice deep dish pizza, and we just basically crashed. I took Leo swimming for a bit, and then we all went to bed. And this is our last morning, so we're going to load up on some nice breakfast and head home.
Mezzanine, that's it.
Yes.
Well, Leo, have you had a good time?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to go get the cart so we can load up, then we're heading home.
3rd floor.
Alright, so we spent 3 days in Chicago. We've managed to go to the top of Willis Tower. We've taken our son and daughter to the Field Museum, and we've just packed up and we're getting ready to head back down to the car. But it's been a very successful trip. It's been Evie's first hotel stay, and she did very well.
She did.
So we've got all our stuff loaded up on the cart right now, ready to go. And yeah, we're heading out in a minute, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. We put out new videos every week.
Yep, see you in the next venture.